What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 6 series and this time it's Oxygen OS 10.3.11. If you guys want to update your device immediately, I'll try to provide the download links in the description below. Just download that file, place it inside the internal storage of your device, go to settings, system update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you'll be able to see the file if you haven't updated your device. I've already updated the device. Let me show you the software information first by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see Oxygen OS version is 10.3.11, device is OnePlus 6T, Android version is Android 10. With this update they have updated the security patch to 1st May 2021 and the Google Play system update is of 1st April 2021. I know most OnePlus 6 users are expecting Android 11 for their devices. With the latest update from OnePlus, they have informed that Android 11 beta program will be starting in the month of September. So yes, you guys need to wait for another 2-3 months. After the previous update of Oxygen OS 10.3.10, I personally feel UI is more smoother now. I haven't noticed much lags or jitters while using my OnePlus 6T. And you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want a complete review on this. I'll do a complete review only if you guys are facing too many issues on your OnePlus 6 or 6T running Oxygen OS 10.3.10. Overall, there are lots of improvements done with the previous two updates. Before the last two updates, device used to warm up a bit. But that's not the case after updating the device to Oxygen OS 10.3.10 and now we have received another update which is Oxygen OS 10.3.11. These are the benchmark results after updating the device to latest version. With single core device I have scored 517 and with multi-core device I have scored 2332. On the previous update we had the similar results using Geekbench application. And due to some reason I wasn't able to run the AnTuTu benchmark application. And basically OnePlus haven't added any new features on this latest update. If you talk about the changelogs of this update, wherein they have updated the security patch to 1st May and fixed some known issues, along with the improvements to system stability. On the previous update, camera version was 3.8.114 and there are no changes done in the camera version. On this update, it remains same, which is 3.8.114. So don't expect any kind of improvements with related to camera. Though I have still clicked few pictures after updating the device to latest version and here you can take a look at them. I'm not even expecting any kind of improvements with related to camera. Only one thing I would request OnePlus to fix is the overexposure when clicking pictures in portrait mode with front camera. With back camera, picture quality seems to be decent. And if you guys are still using OnePlus 6 series, then I would recommend you guys to use Google Camera ports, which gives you amazing results when it comes to picture quality or photos clicked in portrait mode. If you guys want a dedicated video on that, I'll do the same depending on how many people want Google Camera video for OnePlus 6 series. So guys, this was the quick look on the latest update for OnePlus 6 series. If you guys are facing any kind of issues, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll do a dedicated review video for OnePlus 6 series. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.